abroad?
If your answer is yes,
Then I, Dr. Tarini Pandey,
and I, Senior IELTS Trainer Shivangi Rawat,
are here to help you up your IELTS game a notch with SICS. So ma'am, if somebody wants to move abroad, what is the actual procedure for that?
Alright, if someone wants to move abroad, first of all, we have to see that there could be many reasons. You could want to go there to study, you might want to go there to work, and you also might want to go there to permanently reside there. And for all of these purposes, first thing that you have to do is clear the International English Language Testing System, which is IELTS. You have to clear your IELTS test with flying colors for you to be able to go abroad.
Okay, so does that mean that we have different set of exams for different purposes?
Absolutely. That means that if I or you wanted to go there and work, I'll have to give a different kind of IELTS exam. And if I wanted to go there and work and study, I'll have to give a different kind of IELTS exam. So there are two IELTS exams, general and academic. General exam is for those people who want to go abroad and work there or get a permanent residency. Okay, and academic, IELTS academic is for those people who want to actually continue their studies abroad.
Okay. So what are segments and modules are there in the IELTS exam, and what is the actual time frame?
Okay, so IELTS exam actually tests your capability in English language in every sense. For an example, in a language हम क्या क्या चीज़ें करते हैं? हम पढ़ते हैं, हम बोलते हैं, हम लिखते हैं और हम सुनते हैं, राइट? ये चारों चीज़ें IELTS का टेस्ट चेक करता है, which means IELTS एग्जाम के 4 पार्ट हैं. आपको स्पीकिंग का टेस्ट देना होगा, रीडिंग का, लिसनिंग का और राइटिंग का, और इन चारों टेस्ट के लिए अलग अलग टाइम फ्रेम्स हैं. Let me tell you a little bit more about it. So आपका जो IELTS टेस्ट होता है वो 2 लगातार दिनों में भी हो सकता है या फिर 2 या 3 दिन का गैप देके भी हो सकता है. नाउ जो आपका IELTS का स्पीकिंग टेस्ट है, विच इज स्पीकिंग सेगमेंट, वहां पर आपको एक एग्जामिनर के साथ फेस टू फेस इंटरव्यू क्लियर करना होता है, जिसका टाइमिंग इज समवेयर बिटवीन 12 to 18 मिनट्स. नाउ इस 12 to 18 मिनट्स के सेगमेंट में भी कई तरह के अलग अलग सवाल आपसे पूछे जाते हैं, जिसके बारे में हम डिटेल में आगे बात करेंगे. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, वंस आपका स्पीकिंग टेस्ट हो जाता है, उसके बाद आपको एक पर्टिकुलर डेट जो मिलती है उस पर आपके बाकी के 3 टेस्ट होते हैं, रीडिंग, लिसनिंग एंड राइटिंग. सबसे पहले आपका लिसनिंग टेस्ट होता है. लिसनिंग टेस्ट में आपको लगभग कंप्लीट अमाउंट अगर देखें तो 40 मिनट मिलता है, जिसमें से 30 मिनट आपको रिकॉर्डिंग सुननी होती है और क्वेश्चन पेपर पे अपने आंसर्स लिखने होते हैं, और लास्ट के जो 10 मिनट हैं वो आपको मिलते हैं आंसर्स को आंसर शीट में कॉपी करने के लिए, राइट? एंड ऑन दी अदर हैंड इसके बाद होता है आपका रीडिंग टेस्ट. रीडिंग टेस्ट जिसमें कि आपको पूरा 1 घंटा मिलता है, इसलिए 3 पैसेजेस होते हैं, राइट? आपको उन 3 पैसेजेस में से 40 क्वेश्चंस का आंसर करना होता है, बट आपको उन आंसर्स को आंसर शीट में कॉपी करने के लिए कोई एक्स्ट्रा टाइम नहीं मिलता है. सो यू हैव टू बी वेरी प्रिसाइज एंड यू हैव टू बी वेरी एफिशिएंट. Now, after the reading is done, आपका writing test होता है. Now, writing test में 2 टास्क होते हैं, टास्क 1 and टास्क 2. For general category, टास्क 1 में आपको या तो कोई लेटर लिखना होता है या एप्लीकेशन लिखना होता है, could be formal, semi formal और informal, right? And for academics, यहाँ पे आपको समरीज लिखनी होती हैं, जिनमें कि आपको कई बार चार्ट्स दिए जाते हैं, आपको डायग्राम्स दिए जाते हैं.
Okay, something like bar graphs, pie charts, line graphs. Okay,
Yes.
okay.
And you have to interpret that data and write it in your own words,
Okay.
right? For that you get 20 minutes, and after that your task 2 starts. Task 2 is generally same for general and academic kids both, right? And it is an essay. You have to write a 250 words essay in 40 minutes. So in total you get 1 hour for the writing test. These are the different segments, and let me tell you one more thing. You know what is the interesting thing? You have to score well in each segment in order to be able to clear the IELTS test. Now that I have answered your questions, Tanya ma'am, I have a question for you.
Okay.
So, how does SICS help a student go abroad or a person go abroad?
Okay, so with our ample 7 years of experience, Actually, our main USP is that we focus on every particular student.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, like we only have a batch of 10 to 15 students in a class where we can give them personal attention.
Right. Okay.
Okay, so
Great.
I think that has actually helped students to get a good bang. What they actually
Absolutely.
wanted.
Absolutely. Absolutely. And what else? Like, do SISCS help us with?
You can say that from the very first step, we will be there with you till the end. Okay?
Well,
So all throughout, SICS will be helping you in getting your favorite university, your
alright. So, Tarini ma'am, you told us that SICS is there with the student every step of the way. But I'm wondering, right now there is a pandemic, or there could be a general scenario where a student cannot or does not want to come to the classroom. What are the options available for those students with SICS?
Okay, it actually happens with those students who are either not living in our city
Mm-hmm.
or maybe they are very busy with their work life, busy schedules they're having. Okay, so for those we have another option which is actually online classes.
Okay.
Along with the physical classes, offline classes, we have online classes as well.
Okay.
Okay, we have our own website which is www.testprep.sicsindia.com.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
and the amazing part is not just IELTS, we have variety of options. Like you have variety of courses there.
Okay.
So you can do SAT, you can learn French, you can learn English.
Wow.
Okay, you have IELTS
Wow.
General, IELTS Academic.
Okay.
And just like we do in our classrooms, so there is everyday practice sectional test, and then we have mock test, which is going to be the replica of the original IELTS exam.
Wow.
Okay.
So, like during the online course, right? Is there any assistance provided to the student from our side?
Yeah. See, in the online classes, we have recorded sessions of trainers who have like more than 20 years of experience in this industry.
Right.
Okay, but it doesn't end here.
Uh-huh.
We at SICS, we make sure that the student who has taken our package online, okay, we pay particular attention, like personal attention to that student also.
Okay.
Okay, so we get in touch with the student every day, almost every day. We are providing them 1 hour session
Right.
wherein they can clear their doubts. Okay, and also we take personal speaking sessions with them.
Okay. All right. So, which means that we have online training programs.
Yeah.
With the assistants, with trainer assistant, right? And we have online classroom training programs as well. I think that's wonderful.
Yes, and it's not just this. We also have a set of 6 books with us. Okay.
Oh, wow. Okay.
For both the students who are with us online or offline, these are our personal books.
Okay.
Okay. And we are not just going to give you these books, but we are also going to explain you like every task we are going to do with you.
Okay.
Okay, be it writing, be it reading. So we are going to guide you. Like I said in the beginning itself, we are going to guide you at every step. So we are not just going to give you these books and like you can do anything that you want to, but we are going to explain you each module in this book.
Wow.
Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
the thing which I was telling you earlier, our USP is to pay personal attention to every student.
Right.
So we are going to live up to that.
Wow, that's amazing. Well, if you want to know more about us and how we can help you,
Follow us on Instagram. You can DM us or turn on the notification bell to keep yourself updated with our upcoming videos.
well, with that, this is Senior IELTS Trainer Shivangi Rawat.
And I, Dr. Tarini Pandey,
Signing off for now.